Buzz.
Flying where?
Going to like, share and subscribe.
Okay guys, today we will learn about multiplication part 1. Okay, so what is multiplying? Multiplying means we are increasing the quantity in the same amount. Okay, so whenever we say multiply is we are adding up the things but in the same amount. Example, here I have one bowl which is having 6 items or 6 balls plus another bowl with 6 balls plus another bowl with 6 balls. So I am adding same amount of balls every time, correct? So I have 3 balls with 6 balls each. So I can do it like this: 6 plus 6 plus 6, and answer I will get is 6 plus 6 is 12, 12 plus 6 is 18. So here I get the answer 18. Or I can do it another way, that is 6 times 3 is equal to 18. Yeah, and I can do it in third way, which is called on the number line. So I will draw a number line. Here I'll put 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 and carry on, because number line we know it is not having any end, so it carries on. So how we will do? Suppose you are standing over here. Okay, you are standing over here. Now you will jump 6 steps because you are going 6 balls. Yeah, so you jump from here 1 2 3 4 5 6. So first jump on 6, then from here you will jump again for 6 steps. So 1 2 3 4 5 6. So you jumped again and you reach to 12. Then again you jumped 6 more steps. So 1 2 3 4 5 6. So you reach to 18. So you jumped by 6 steps each and then you reach to 18. So this is the number line method. Number line method. This is multiplication table. Multiplication by tables, and this is multiplying by addition. By addition. In this one we can do another way around. We can do it, you can jump. Suppose you are standing over here, you can jump 3 steps one time. So first time you jumped 3 steps, then again you jumped 3 steps, so 3 to 3 is 6. Then again you jumped 3 steps is 9. Then again you jumped 3 steps is 12. Then you jumped 3 more steps is 15. Then you jumped another 3 more steps is 18. So this is how you reach to 18. But how many steps you took by how many times you jumped by jumping 3 steps? 1 2 3 4 5 6. So you can see you have jumped 3 steps 6 times, then you reach to 18. Why you jumped 3 steps to reach 18 is 6 times 3 or 3 times 6. You can go in either ways actually. Okay, this one I will explain further to you in my when I will explain the properties. Okay, so by the time you can write down, we can do the multiplication by addition, that is 6 plus 6 plus 6 is equal to 18, or by using the tables, that is 6 times 3 is equal to 18, or by number line, that is by jumping like this. Okay, so let's move on forward. As you are already learning the large numbers, that is 4-digit numbers, so you should know the tables until 9. If you don't know, you have to practice and you have to learn all the tables by heart. Okay, so whenever we are multiplying, it goes like this. Suppose 6827 multiplied by 7. So when we will multiply by a single number, it will be multiplied by each place value. First we will multiply this number with units place, then to the tens, then 100, and then 1000. So it will go like this: 7 sevens are 49, so 4 carried over, 9 comes down, 7 twos are 14, 14 plus 2 is, sorry, 7 twos are 14, 14 plus 4 is equal to 18, so 1 carried and 8 comes down, 7 eights are 56 plus 1 is 57, 5 carried, 7 down, 7 6 are 42 plus 5, 47. Okay, so we got the answer here by multiplying a single digit. Now we multiply this one with double digit. Suppose 3244 multiplied by 23. So what are we going to do? We'll multiply the number on the units place with the whole number up in there. Then we will multiply the number which is on the tens place with the whole number which is up in there. So 3 fours are 12. So 1 carried, 2 down. Then we will multiply again. 3 fours are 12 plus 1 is equal to 13. So 1 carried and 3 comes down. 3 twos are 6 plus 1 7 and 3 threes are 9. Then we will make a cross over here. Why? Because now we will start from tens place. So when we are going to use from the tens place, we will start writing the number also from the tens place. So 2 fours are 8, 2 fours are again 8, 2 twos are 4 and 2 threes are 6. When we will add up all these numbers, 2, 8 plus 3 is equal to 11, 1 carried, 7 plus 1 8 and 8 16, 1 carried, 9 plus 1 10 plus 4 14, 1 carried, 6 plus 1 is equal to 7. So we get the answer here. Okay, this was the addition with a single digit, and this was the this is the multiplication with the single digit, and this is the multiplication with the double digit. Whenever we have multiplied a number with any other number, we multiply the whole number one by one with that number. Okay, like 7 with the units place, then with the tens place, with hundreds, then thousand. And when we are multiplying with double digit, first we multiply the units place with the whole number up in there, then we make a cross because we are going to use the tens digit. Then tens digit, we are multiplying the whole number up in there and we write down. Then we add up, the sum comes here. This is the same way when we will move on to multiplication of 3-digit numbers. Suppose we are going to multiply 287 multiplied by 324. Okay, so how we are going to multiply it? 4 sevens are 28. First we will use the units place to multiply all these three numbers. 4 sevens are 28, 2 carried, 8 in the 8 comes down, 4 eights are 32, 32 plus 2 is equal to 34. So 3 carries and 4 comes down. 4 twos are 8, 8 plus 3 is equal to 11. Then we make a cross here because we will use the tens place. Tens place, 2 sevens are 14, 1 goes up and 4 comes down. Then 2 8s are 16 plus 1 is equal to 17. So 1 goes up and 7 comes down. 2 2s are 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. You can see I am cutting these numbers because these were borrowed from the previous one. Previous multiplication we borrowed these numbers. So now we are continuing the next one. Okay. Then we go to the next one. 3 sevens are 21. So we cross this one. 2 is carried over. And first we will cross this 2. And we write down 1 here. 3 sevens are 21. 2 is carried over and 1 comes down. Hold on for a while. I'll change the marker pen. So 2 is carried over and 1 comes down over here. Next is 3 8s are 24 plus 2 is equal to 26. 2 carried and 6 comes down. 3 2s are 6 plus 2, 7 8. 8 comes down and it comes here. So 8, 4 plus 4 8, 7 plus 2 is equal to 9. 5 plus 1 6, 6 plus 6 is equal to 12, 1 carried, 8 plus 1 9. So this is the answer we got. This is the way you are going to multiply, whether it's double digit number, triple digit number, all the numbers you are going to multiply same like that. Okay, you just need to get the concept. Once you get the concept clear, you will get all the things clear. Now we go with the properties. Properties of multiplication. Properties. So as we have studied some properties of addition and subtraction in our previous classes, now we are going to study about the properties of multiplication. First property is multiplying by 0. or you can say instead of 0 writing multiplying by 0. So whenever we multiply any number with 0, our answer is always 0. Then the second property is multiplying by 1. By 1. So whenever we multiply any number by 1, we get the same number. And the third and foremost important property is you can multiply in any order. We can multiply in any order. What does it mean? In any order. Suppose I write down here, okay, first we start with the first property. Example, I write down 2367 multiplied by 0. What will be the answer? You should remember the property and then it automatically comes 0. Okay. Now 6897 multiplied by 1 is equal to, whenever we multiply any number by 1, the answer is the number itself. So that is 6897. Okay, so these are the two properties explained. Now we will go for the third property. We can multiply in any order. Earlier we have studied the same property in addition. So suppose 23 multiplied by 42 multiplied by 67. We can write it down as 42 multiplied by 67 multiplied by 23 also. You will get the same result. Or you can write down 67 multiplied by 23 multiplied by 42. So in multiplication you can multiply in any order. You can multiply these two numbers first, or these two numbers first, or these two numbers first, and then with the last one. Okay, so these are the three properties you should remember. So that's it for today's class, and you practice for multiplication. You can choose any numbers and try to find out the solutions. Remember all the properties and memorize all the tables until 10, because you are in a bigger class now. Thank you.
Was it fun? Yes. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.